Hey guys, welcome and or welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a closeout of the paycheck one, and we're going to be doing my weekly check-in all in one video. We are not, however, going to close out the full month. We still have a few days left. Today is the 27th, so we still have a few days left that I to close out, and I know that I have a couple more expenses to do because Halloween is coming up, and on Halloween night you do Sonic corn dogs for 50 cents, so we will be doing that. Okay, so let me go ahead and start. I did write my expenses down finally. I know I'm getting the hang of it, but I wanted to make sure that we also are filling this in. I did a number. Okay, I did a number. Alright, so I got my expenses. Let's go ahead and just do this first because it was a lot. Okay, so sorry. I had to go get my markers. I found the dual tip pen markers and I love them. I leave them in my backpack because I know that I'm going to be using my one of my binders, and I'm trying to get away from carrying my big catch-all with me because it does have a lot of important information in it, and I'm trying to use something small like this to carry around all my to-dos and like my list and stuff like that. So it's my I call it a list book because like it has like the anything that, like, if I see a reel or if I see something on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok that caught my attention, I write it down. And then also if I see like bullet points or anything, I try to write it, and it's just the ones that whenever you have like an idea or whatever, you just put a dot basically. And I love it. Like, I love it. These are dual, so the other side is like I can write them, and then so there's that. But these are the ones that I have. This is not even what I wanted to show y'all, but these are the pens that I was just like, oh, markers. I was so excited to get these, and I kind of want to have like a little pouch, and so looking on Instagram to see if there was anything that I can find, and I remember I have a friend, a pen pal, who makes them, so I'm gonna reach out to her and see if she has anything Harry Potter, and I'm gonna put them in here instead of carrying around in a box. I got these off Amazon, so I'll leave the link for this in the description down below if y'all have been looking for them. I couldn't find them anywhere, so I finally found them on Amazon, so I will leave those in the description down below. But let's go ahead and get back to this. So we have enough room here at the bottom to do all the categories, and my 8 categories are, I thought it was organized and had everything the way I needed it to be, but now that everything is out, it is not. All right, so we are going to be highlighting. All right, so the first, we're just going to start at the top, was miscellaneous, and that was for $179.26. We have, oh, that one was bills, and I put miscellaneous there, so that one is wrong. And then I think I'm going to make another envelope and put for coffee, because I am paying a lot for coffee, and I was putting in miscellaneous, but I'm not stuffing that much into miscellaneous for me to have to do that. All right, so I had 3 of the miscellaneous for and then the calculator. So that is 12.18, 179.26. 35.38. So 226.82. So let me go ahead and put this out there. We were going, or we had 3 days of spending. Okay, so this is from the Friday before, and then all the way up until this Friday. So it's only 1 week of spending, and I know that because our Houston trip got canceled because we had thunderstorms and bad weather and a cold front and everything that came through that we were not going to get on the road because Houston has worse thunderstorms and raining. So we were like, no, it's not even worth it. Let's just go ahead and stay here. So because we were trying to find things indoor and we were also, everything that we wanted to do was outdoor, it was just like unbudgeted everything. Okay, so everything that I had in mind, that's why I know people say do not budget or do not plan, because if you plan, it always gets like messed up and changed in the end. But we actually had like a lot of free events that were outside because she wanted to take a lot of pictures, and we ended up not being able to take pictures. The things that we did take pictures of was like food, and we're like, dude, that is not what we wanted. So anyway, so for miscellaneous, $226.82. All right, then let's put that one up. Let's go ahead and get this color, and let's do this color for gas. So I did $41.59, and gas here again, $35.99. I feel like I'm missing one because my tank is full. Looks like I only put 2. This one is gas. So for gas, we did $35.99 and $41.59. So $77.58. 7758. Let's go put this one up. Get the purple. And we're gonna do that. And I want to say, even though I should have, I did not pay anything else towards that. Nope. Because I did not pay. This past week was all about my daughter. And she's the skinniest one out of all of us, but she eats the most out of all of us. I am not even, there's no way I can even make that up. Like, she just, every time we're like, hey, where are we leaving? And as soon as we get in the car, she's like, what are we eating? I'm like, you have food in your mouth. Like, she just, it doesn't matter. She is like a hungry person at all times. All right, so this one is going to be for business. $99.91. That was $607.50. All right, and then the next color, let's do this outstanding color for eating out. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times in 1 week. All right, so I can go ahead and say that we did go out to eat a lot. We haven't been out to eat in a while. We've tried a few different places that we were actually surprised we tried them, because we wouldn't have tried them any other time. Because they are, what was I spending? Because they are really expensive. But Let's see what kind of damage I did. All right. Twice. And I wanted to make sure I was correct. It is $283.75. All right. So. All right. So for the next one is bills. Ooh, this is a pretty color. Pretty color. Bills, I only did one. Ooh, that is such a pretty color. And that is 300 for bills. And then next is household, and we're gonna do a orange color. So household, here there's no room. We merged a 2-bedroom and then a 1-bedroom, and we were there for 18 months. And in the 18-month period, you have no idea how much stuff someone can actually find, buy, make, create, or it was just like all this, like everything in one place. And so we're just like, no, we are going through things. So we're trying to organize, make things functional, and then move on. All right, so household, $116.79. And then in the household, I'm not gonna lie, in the household there's also a miscellaneous stuff, but I know the majority of the stuff was miscellaneous, was household stuff, because we were getting the stuff for my daughter and for the house, so I put it in the household section. And I can tell you right now, more than likely I just have to pay myself back. I am going to have to get another calculator because I cannot see the keys. I literally am only typing because I know where the numbers are. That's really sad. All right, and then 1679. So 213.31. And then last is coffee, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a coffee, a blue color. Oh, and that one's a big one. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back. All right, so 213.31, add 227.80. That actually looks better. Oh, whenever I was in, I was like, that looks wrong. 441 and 11. All right. So now let's color coffee. So here's coffee here. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. No regrets. All right, so one is $15.70 plus $11.13. Oh, what was that about? Okay. Let's see what we got. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for miscellaneous, we have $226.82. Gas, $77.58. Debt, $607.50. Business, $99.91. Going out to eat, $283.75. $300 on bills. 441.11, 83.52. Oh, 84.50. I said 83 and I typed in 84. Oh, all I gotta do is push enter and try to budget that for a coffee. Oh my gosh. $2,121.19. Okay, that is a lot. Ooh. $2,121.19. Alright, so let's go to the 22nd. And I'm actually gonna fill this out off camera. Yeah, because we already went over everything. So let's put this on the 22nd.